In this video, I'm showing you how to make fresh vegetable quesadillas. They're super cheesy and so delicious. And make sure to stick around till the end because we're going to make a Chipotle Crema to go with them. If you're new to my channel, I'm Julie with Mint Personal Chef. I specialize in meal prep and I have an online course called Meal Prep Academy that teaches you how to meal prep like a chef. Also, I have a free 5-day meal prep challenge for complete beginners to start meal prepping right now. So check out that link in the video description. And without further ado, let's get started. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If so, make sure to subscribe because I release a new cooking tutorial and recipe every week. I'll see you next time. Happy eating.